everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I am Jake. And Alice, you walked in today carrying 3 shopping bags, so I have questions.
Okay, yes, I went shopping this morning before coming here. I am going on that mountain lake trip we planned last week, and I realized I have nothing to wear.
Nothing to wear, you have a whole closet.
Nothing for a trip, Jake. There's a difference. You need comfortable clothes, layers for the cool mountain air, something nice for dinner by the water. It's a whole system.
A whole system. I just pack whatever's clean.
That explains a few things. Well, I went to my favorite store this morning and I found some really great pieces. A light jacket, some comfortable pants, and a really nice sweater.
That sounds like a lot. Was it expensive?
It was on sale, most of it. And you know what? Talking to the store staff, asking for help, finding the right size, it all takes a certain kind of English that is really useful to know.
Oh, shopping English, yes. I always get nervous in stores here. I never know what to say to the staff.
After today, you will know exactly what to say. And Jake, today we are doing a full role play. You are going to be the store employee and I am the customer.
Wait, me? The employee?
You will do great, and everyone at home can practice both sides, the customer and the staff.
Okay, I'm nervous but excited. Let's do this. Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go shopping. Before we start the role play, let's go over the key phrases so Jake knows what to expect. First, when you walk into a store and you know what you want, you tell the staff, I'm looking for...
I'm looking for. I'm looking for a light jacket. I'm looking for something comfortable for hiking.
Exactly. It's clear, direct, and tells the staff right away how they can help you. Much better than just walking around looking lost.
I'm looking for a warm sweater. I'm looking for something I can wear on a trip. Very easy structure.
Good. Now, when you find something you like but need a different size or color, you ask, do you have this in...
Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in blue? Just put the size or color at the end.
Perfect. And if the staff is not sure, they'll check for you. In American stores, they are usually very happy to help. Now, when you want to try something on before buying, you say, can I try this on?
Can I try this on? That's asking to use the fitting room, right?
Yes, very simple and very polite. The staff will point you to the fitting rooms and usually ask how many items you have. Just hold them up and say the number.
Can I try this on? Such a short phrase, but I never knew how to say it before.
Most people just walk into the fitting room without saying anything, but asking first is more natural and friendly. Now, when you come out of the fitting room and want a second opinion, you ask, how does it look?
How does it look? You're asking the staff or your friend for their honest opinion.
Exactly. And a helpful staff member might say, it looks great on you, or the fit is a little loose. Would you like to try a smaller size? They want you to find something you love.
How does it look? I always just look in the mirror by myself, but asking feels more natural in a real shopping situation.
It does, and it opens a little conversation. People enjoy helping. And finally, when you love something and you're ready to buy it, you say, I'll take it.
I'll take it. Short and happy, like, yes, this is the one.
Exactly. You can also say, I'll get this one, or I would like to buy this. All natural, but I'll take it has the most energy, like a little celebration.
I'll take it. It feels satisfying just to say.
It really does. Okay, Jake, are you ready to be the store employee?
Ready, I think. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go. I'll walk in as the customer. Here we go.
Hi there, welcome in. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Hi, yes, actually. I'm looking for a light jacket, something I can wear on a mountain trip. Not too heavy, but warm enough for cool evenings.
Oh, perfect. We just got some new arrivals over here. This one is very popular. It's lightweight but keeps you warm. It comes in navy, olive, and light gray.
Oh, I love the navy. Do you have this in a small?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in a small right here.
Great. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are just around the corner. I'll take you there. How many items do you have?
Just this one for now. Thank you.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm coming out now. How does it look?
Oh, it looks really good on you. The color suits you perfectly, and the fit is just right. Not too tight, not too loose.
I think so too. I love how light it feels, and it will be perfect for the trip.
It's also machine washable, which is great for travel.
Oh, that's a big plus. Okay, I'll take it. And actually, while I'm here, do you have any comfortable pants for hiking? Something I can also wear to dinner?
Yes, we have some great options. Follow me.
And scene. Jake, that was incredible. You were a natural.
Haha, that was actually really fun. I felt like a real store employee.
You were, and you used all the right phrases on both sides. Everyone at home, did you catch all 5 phrases in the role play? Let's go over them one more time, but think about when and why you would use each one.
I'm looking for. This is your opening line. You walk in, you say what you need, and the conversation starts. No wandering around in silence.
Do you have this in when you love something but need it in your size or different color? Size and color are the 2 most common things to ask about.
Can I try this on? Always ask before you go to the fitting room. It's polite and it connects you with the staff. They might even give you helpful advice while you're in there.
How does it look? Step out, ask for a real opinion. Staff members are trained to help you look and feel good. Use them.
And I'll take it. When you find the right thing, commit to it with confidence. It's a great feeling.
Shopping in English doesn't have to be stressful. 5 phrases and you can handle any store, anywhere.
I feel ready to go shopping right now. Maybe I should also prepare for that mountain trip.
Please do. Pack properly this time. Everyone at home, leave a comment. What's the last thing you bought at a store? Tell us in English.
We love reading your answers. And if today's role play was fun, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone, and happy shopping. Goodbye.